the easy dessert with Fatima. Our ingredients will be 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, 3 tablespoons of hotcake flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, chocolate chips, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. First, you will integrate the egg into the cup. After that, you pour the 3 tablespoons of the hotcake flour. The tablespoon of sugar, and the 3 tablespoons cocoa. After that, you will pour 2 tablespoons of milk, a tablespoon of oil, then beat very well until you do not see lumps.
Listen, harder building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart.
And integrate chocolate chips to taste, and to finish, will microwave your cup with the mixture till 40 minutes.
Passing up on my always, I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say. Passing up on my always, I can't blame you, no.
Since it comes out of the microwave, you will check that it is not raw by introducing in the middle of the brownie the wooden toothpick or knife. And if comes out clean, it means that it is not rising. And so you can enjoy a delicious brownie.